Hello children, today we will be learning about types of internet connections. What are the different types of internet connections which are available in today's world? In today's age, there are numerous ways to connect to laptop, desktop, mobile phones, gaming, tablets to the internet. Some of the most widely used internet connections are dial-up connections, broadband connections, cable connections, satellite, DSL, wireless, mobile and hotspots. Let us first understand dial-up connection. Dial-up connections requires phone line to a computer in order to access the internet. This particular type of connection does not permit users to make or receive phone calls through their home phone service while using the internet. Whenever an internet is used using a dial-up connection, the users cannot make any phone calls or receive any phone calls. This is one of the biggest disadvantage of dial-up connection. Broadband connection. This high-speed internet connection is provided through either cable or telephone companies. The term broadband is derived from the word broad bandwidth. Broadband internet connections are considered high bandwidth connections. Broadband is faster than the dial-up connections. Now let us understand what is cable internet connection. It is a form of broadband access. Through use of cable modem, users can access the internet over cable TV lines. Cable modems can provide extremely fast access to internet. Satellite. In certain areas where broadband connections are not offered, satellite internet options are used. Similar to wireless access, satellite connections uses a modem. DSL, which stands for Digital Subscriber Line, uses existing two-wire copper telephone line connected to one's home, so service is delivered at the same time as landline telephone service. Customers can still make calls while surfing the internet. Wireless radio frequency bands are used in place of telephone or cable networks. One of the greatest advantage of wireless internet connection is that it is always on connection that can be accessed from any location that falls within the network coverage. And the last two internet connectivity types, mobile and hotspot. Mobile. Many cell phones and smartphone providers offer voice plan with internet access. Mobile internet connections provides good speed and allow you to access the internet. Today also we are using mobile during the pandemic time in the maximum usage. Hotspot. Hotspots are sites that offer internet access over a wireless local area network, which is known as WLAN, by way of router that connects to the internet service provider. Hotspot uses Wi-Fi technology, which allows electronic devices to connect to the internet or exchange data wirelessly. Thank you children for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon so that whenever there is a new update, you can be notified and watch the video immediately. Thank you and have a great day.